Hi, this video is about the bedside commode, over the toilet commode with a drop arm feature. So when you receive this commode, it's going to come fully assembled just like this. You'll get the commode, you're just going to attach the backrest as an option, and it comes with a bucket lid and the splash guard. So I love this commode because it is so versatile. So I'm going to show you how to use it over the toilet first. And in doing so, you're going to want the backrest off, and you're going to adjust the legs to the highest height. So as a commode, you can adjust the legs for your desired height or over the toilet. It's so easy to use. So go ahead and turn the commode to the side. And to adjust the legs, it's just a push button. You push the button in and pull the tube, and the pin will release out at your desired hole height. So this is the commode option for over the toilet use. Now I'm going to show you how to use it as a standalone or bedside commode. So first we're going to replace the splash guard with the bucket that has a handle. It goes in just like this. And then I'm going to attach the backrest. So similar to the legs, it's going to have a push button. You're going to insert the back into the tube holes, push the button, and insert it into the desired hole. All right, now the backrest is attached. What I love about this commode is the drop arm feature. The drop arm feature is so easy to use and allows you to transfer the user in. So all you have to do for the arms to come down is push on the red release button, and the arms just go down just like that. And then put them back into place. You just lift them up, and you'll hear them lock into place. And you just want to make sure that that red button is depressed outward and the arms are locked. They are also padded, so it's very comfortable and also easy to clean. All right, and as with all of Nova products, they come with our care, use, and maintenance information and how to contact us anytime.